Hello, Mrs. Melamed. This is Mindy Wheat. I wanted to talk to you really quickly about Lexia. I noticed Sophia has been using the program pretty well, and the computer has suggested that she use it for 80 minutes per week, as you can see on this chart right here. There are 3 times since December that she's gotten over 80 minutes in a week, so we really want to make sure that she's using it consistently and regularly. Now, I am aware that some of the weeks here in December, she was on Christmas break and it should have been marked off and not part of the calendar. So I'll look back at the settings and make sure she won't be counted for spring break next week. But other than that, January and February, we would like to see a few more weeks up into the 80s. So now that we're heading into April, I just really want to encourage you to have her get on it a little bit more often. I did notice her level is increasing, so she's getting higher and closer to grade level, which is really, really good. I was also looking at the different activities she's doing, and the only activity that looks a little tricky is the fluency activities. Both at level 14 and now at level 15, the fluency is the only one that's causing her a little bit of difficulty. As you can see here, the first story she had 39 words per minute, and the one thing that was causing her to repeat was her rate. On the second story, it was her accuracy that caused her repeat. She didn't get the words right because she was able to read it with 145 words per minute. Down here, I noticed that the seventh story, she had 231 words per minute, but again, the accuracy was a problem. Stories 5 and 6, 64 words per minute, 51 words per minute, 68 words per minute for the 8th one. So she's a little bit all over the place. Sometimes she can read really fast, but then her accuracy seems to go down, or sometimes she's reading really slow. So I would just encourage her on that one to just do her best. I'm not seeing any huge red flags. I know some of these are repeats right here, like you're seeing the multiple, like the green, the blue, and the yellow, and the green, the blue, and the green. But I'm not seeing anything that's overly concerning. She's still able to level to the next story. She's still able to move on, and it's not red flagging the teacher or myself. So just keep using the program and just make sure you're watching her read to you and that she is able to move at a pretty good pace so it sounds like she's talking. Thank you.